everybody. I got here is the handle that gets stuck up down instead of going up. See? It's not going up. Sometimes you can just fix it by loosening up the what you call the washer over here, or the nut. Sorry, nut. You loosen that up. Sometimes it goes up, but this thing is not going down for some reason. See, it works, but sometimes you're gonna have to take the whole thing out and clean the stuff here. See, there's green stuff over there, so just clean that out. You can just leave it like that and clean it from here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna clean that out and hopefully tighten it up back again. So I either loosen it or tighten it, but clean this part right here first. You see how dirty, a lot of stuff, a lot of hard water. I don't know for the name of it, I forget. But see the stuff over here. So let's clean that out and see what happens. So the area is clean. What you do is this part here. You hold it and you just keep turning it. Just see this part, it turns. Keep doing that because there might something there that's got it stuck. So this nothing is turning, just this part is turning. It turns like that much back, that side. Just keep doing that for a while until it's gonna loosen whatever was in there. So when you flush it, it goes back out. So this was good enough. So now everything's clean and this thing is gonna loose now. It's still stuck right here. That's not really stuck, but that's how it stops, and it stops over here. So just keep doing that. Now that's done. Put it back. Make sure you put it back, because if you put it in this angle here, you see if your toilet handle is the wrong way. So put it back the way it was, this way. Now it goes in. All right. Let's tighten this up and test it. Water in the bowl. I just hand tighten it. Let's see. And it's working. Now it's working. Alright, so that's how some people, like I said, they just loosen the nut over here. I don't want to do that. I like to make sure the mechanism there is actually working. They clean the outside of it, and start wiggling it, whatever debris or something that made it sticky inside there. And loosen it up. Now it's working fine. Right, that's it. I hope this helped you guys, save you some money, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.